Too many times we saw the Oculus Quest or the Oculus Quest 2 getting updates that are nowhere to be found on our devices. Sometimes we have to wait hours, days, and also weeks to get the latest update. But hey, Tai here, welcome to the VRTech channel. In this brief video, we're gonna see how to fix everything, how to install manually our updates on the Oculus Quest 2 and also the Oculus Quest. I'm not attaching this video to any particular update because this is the way we do it with the current Oculus Quest software. So if anything then changes in the future, well, I'm gonna let you know and I'm gonna keep you always updated with the links in the description below. But hey, disclaimer, this is a way to manually update your Oculus Quest. I give you the tools and then it's something you decide yourself if you want to do it or not. On my side, it's always been safe, so don't worry about it, but be careful when you get the links, of course, because you don't want to install the wrong software over there. And with that said, let's see how to manually install updates on our Oculus Quest. Let's get into it. Alright, here we are. So to get ready, we're gonna need an Oculus Quest 2 or Oculus Quest, of course, a USB cable to connect it to our PC, and of course, a PC. But let's get to the first step, that is to download ADB and the update. Now, I prepared a folder down there so you can download everything and you have everything ready already. So check the description below for the ADB folder and of course the update number, whatever it is. Alright, so step number 2 is to prepare the folders, and you can see we downloaded over here, and what you have to do is actually to extract ADB, so we can use the extract tool from Windows directly in our folder, and it's gonna appear over there with all the files needed. Now what we have to do is to transfer the update file directly in the ADB folder, so we use the cut option and then we go inside the folder and we transfer it with paste over there. And now everything is pretty much ready. What we have to do is to copy this ADB folder and transfer it directly to our local C drive where Windows is installed and paste it over there. So here we are with everything ready over here. Anyway, if you have a longer number for the update.zip, just rename it to update because it's gonna be easier later to then install it, of course. Now, step number 3 is to set the Oculus Quest in sideload update mode. So what we have to do is to connect the Oculus Quest 2 to our PC, of course, with the cable. Then we have to turn it off and turn it on again. Keep clicking on the volume down and the power button at the same time until you see inside the headset this new menu. Now, the instructions there are pretty self-explanatory, so use the volume buttons to move down on the sideload update option and click the power button to actually confirm. At the point the screen is gonna turn black and we are ready for the next step. Also, you can check that the Oculus Quest is gonna be in sideload update mode because the little LED on the side is gonna turn purple. Alright, so let's get to the last step, that is to install the update, of course, on the Oculus Quest 2, now that is in sideload update mode. So we click on the Windows button and we write command prompt, and at the point we run it as administrators. The command prompt will now appear, and what we have to do is to redirect it directly to our ADB folder. So we write cd and we paste over here the address as a text of where our ADB folder is. So cd again and Ctrl V to have our folder ready. At that point we write ADB sideload update.zip or whatever the name of your file is, and we click on enter. It's gonna take around 3 or 4 minutes and then we are pretty much ready. You can restart your Oculus Quest and you're gonna have the new update over there. Voila! And here you have it, guys. This was the guide, and as you can see, it's super easy, and for me it was always super safe to update. But of course, it's up to yourself if you want to take the risk, because in the moment that we sideload something on the system level, well, it could actually sometime, maybe if the connection breaks or something like that, break the device. So be aware of it and be sure that everything is connected to a power plug or stuff like that, and the connection is very snug with the PC. And that's it. Everything should go fine and smooth, and you will have the latest update on your Oculus Quest or Oculus Quest 2. I'm always gonna keep updated. The links below, so if update number XX comes out in the future, is gonna be there, and you can still use this guide over and over. So, well, that's all, guys. I hope this was useful because I know that many people asked for it. So, As always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more about VR tech. And if you really love the channel, there's a join button down there. A little down further, also the Patreon with prior access to videos. And at the same time, we have t-shirt, sticker, and mask 2020 item number 1. But again, like, dislike, subscribe. See you guys next video. Let me know in the comment below if you need some help. And that's it. Ciao!